How to fix Facebook Messenger problem of the end of the call. So if the call ended and you have this problem, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. So first thing you wanna do is go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, now search for Messenger right here, and when you find it, click on it. Now after you have clicked on the Messenger, click here on this for stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. After click on clear data, click on delete, exactly like this. After that, go back, click on data usage, disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and enable them back again. Go back, click on the power usage details. On this option you will find the power analysis right here. Click down here on force stop. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.